Start by entering all your business information exactly as appeared on EN. Check this box to confirm your agreement with the terms and ensure all details are accurate before submitting. Click Submit to securely complete your business profile registration for 10DLC. Select your campaign type to tailor the 10DLC registration for your specific messaging needs. Choose the Mixed Recommended Campaign type for maximum flexibility and value. Describe your campaign to help carriers and partners understand your messaging objectives. Provide a sample message to showcase the content you'll send through your campaign. Give your consent to authorize campaign registration and maintain industry compliance. Submit your campaign details to register and unlock high-volume compliant messaging with Text Torrent.